Recipes to reverse diabetes in 8 days according to Professor Roy Taylor. Professor Roy Taylor collaborated with Professor Mike Lean, University of Glasgow, to carry out the Diabetes Remission Clinical Trial known as DIRECT. He has conducted a series of clinical studies on remission of type 2 diabetes. They have also confirmed and extended the understanding of the mechanisms behind diabetes and diabetes remission. The fundamental idea behind his plan is a diet plan with only about 800 kilocalories per day, which will reverse diabetes in 7 to 8 days. That is about 250 kilocalories per meal, considering a few cups of tea or coffee with light milk. Here are 10 meal plans under 250 kilocalories, designed for Asian and Indian diets including rice and lentils. You can change the ingredients to your taste and budget. You can replace rice with better legumes like red lentils or Mysore lentils. Use better unsaturated oils like canola if possible. Add more green leafy vegetables like spinach, cucumber, tomatoes, green beans, snake beans, carrots, brinjals or eggplant, cabbage, radish with greens, capsicum and bell pepper. And any amount of green leafy vegetables like spinach, kankan, moringa leaves. Green beans, long beans, winged beans, edamame. Edamame is young soybean with green pods that are rich in protein, fiber, and other nutrients. Avoid putting potatoes into your soups. Rather than rice-based congee, use lentils to make congee and soups with green leafy vegetables. Also avoid other root vegetables like manioc, sweet potatoes, regular potatoes and all other root vegetables I have not mentioned here. 1. Rice and mung dal ingredients. 25 grams raw rice, 60 kcal, 20 grams Mysore dal or any lentils, 72 kcal. Half a teaspoon oil, 22 kcal. Spices. Turmeric, cumin, and salt veggies. 50 grams spinach, 14 kcal. Total calories, 191 kcal. 2. Rice and Mysore dal, red lentil, khichdi ingredients. 25 grams raw rice, 60 kcal. 20 grams Mysore dal, 70 kcal. Half a teaspoon oil, 22 kcal. 30 grams chopped carrots, 13 kcal. Spices. Cumin, turmeric. Total calories, 165 kilocalories. 3. Curd rice with lentils ingredients. 30 grams cooked rice, 45 kcal. 50 grams low-fat curd, 30 kcal. 10 grams cooked Mysore dal or lentils, 40 kilocalories. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, curry leaves. Spices. Salt, pepper. Total calories, 115 kilocalories. 4. Lemon rice with split mung dal ingredients. 25 grams raw rice, 60 kcal. 20 grams lentils or dal, 72 kcal. 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 5 kilocalories. Half a teaspoon oil, 22 kcal. Mustard seeds, green chili, turmeric. Total calories, 159 kilocalories. 5. Rice and dal sprout salad ingredients. 20 grams cooked rice, 30 kcal. 20 grams sprouted mung dal, 50 kcal. 30 grams cucumber, 10 kcal. 20 grams tomato, 4 kcal. Lemon juice and coriander leaves. Total calories, 94 kcal. 6. Rice and lentil soup ingredients. 20 grams raw rice, 48 kcal. 20 grams red lentils, 70 kcal. Half a teaspoon ghee, 22 kcal. 50 grams tomatoes, 9 kcal. Spices. Cumin, ginger, garlic, turmeric. Total calories, 149 kilocalories. 7. Rice and tur dal, pigeon pea. Stir-fry ingredients. 25 grams raw rice, 60 kcal. 20 grams tur dal, 70 kcal. Half a teaspoon oil, 22 kcal. 50 grams cabbage, 13 kcal. Spices. Mustard, turmeric, Salt total calories: 165 kilocalories. 8. Rice and lentil tikki ingredients: 30 grams cooked rice, 45 kcal, 20 grams cooked chana or other dal, 45 kcal, 30 grams grated carrot, 12 kcal, half a teaspoon oil, 22 kcal. Spices: salt, pepper, cumin, coriander. Total calories: 124 kcal. 9. Curd rice with chana dal ingredients: 30 grams cooked rice, 45 kcal, 10 grams cooked chana dal, 40 kilocalories, 50 grams low-fat curd, 30 kcal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, curry leaves, and salt. Total calories: 115 kilocalories. 10. Rice and lentil porridge ingredients: 25 grams raw rice, 60 kcal, 20 grams split yellow mung dal, 70 kcal, half a teaspoon ghee, 22 kcal, water, ginger, and turmeric. Total calories: 152 kilocalories. If you can get cow milk-based yogurt, may be better as they have less fat than buffalo curd. Fat has 3 times the calories of carbohydrates. These meal plans are simple, healthy, and appropriate for a low-calorie, diabetes-friendly Indian diet. They also balance the nutritional needs for those managing blood sugar levels. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe. On the screen, you see a few videos related to some other diabetes-related issues. Thanks very much for watching this video.